Hey there, it's Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl. And guess what? It is a National Coffee Day. So I figured I'd share with you some of my favorite coffee finds that you need to make the perfect cup of coffee at home. That's right, you can skip Starbucks. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but you can make coffee at home. Okay, first up, if you have a Keurig machine, this Cinnabon coffee is number one. It's not fake tasting, it's perfect. It has the perfect amount of cinnamon. Next, this frother. Okay, you can get this on Amazon. I'm going to put a link up somehow. I'll find a way. In like 30 seconds, it makes the best foam out of whatever milk you put in there. These days, I am loving Trader Joe's oat milk maple beverage. And I'm telling you, you need this thing. It's too good. It's cold foam and hot foam. Okay, a lot of people might think I'm a little kooky for using this stuff, but this is Coffee Mate French vanilla powder. This is a sugar-free version. I get mine on Amazon, but you might be able to find it at your supermarket. The thing about this, it makes everything taste better, not just hot coffee drinks. You can put it in oatmeal. You could put it in cold coffee drinks as well, but you do have to dissolve it in a little bit of hot water if you're going to use it, because otherwise the powder does not dissolve. But talk about bang for your buck with flavor with this. 15 calories for a teaspoon, and you only need about a teaspoon or 2 teaspoons. I'm telling you, if you use the liquid version of this, you're going to need to put in a ton, and it has so much sugar and so many more calories. All right, next up, you're going to need instant coffee that is not disappointing. So my non-disappointing instant coffee, Starbucks Via. This is the Via that is totally calorie-free, okay? This is just coffee granules. It dissolves perfectly in water. You can make the best, like Frappuccino swaps at home. Love it. Now, the way to get the texture the same as the texture is at Starbucks is by using about a teaspoon of xanthan gum. Xanthan gum. You can find this on your supermarket shelves. You throw this in the blender with your blended coffee drinks, and I'm telling you, yes, voila, it tastes exactly like the texture of Starbucks. My hair is really bothering me today. Finally, for your cold drinks, you need this protein powder. This is Terra's Way. It gives you the most protein for your calorie buck. I love it. I like the vanilla. I like the chocolate. And if you want to top off any of your drinks with a little bit of whipped cream or your foam, this gourmet vanilla cinnamon sugar is the bomb. I get this on Amazon as well. Love it. Okay, enjoy. Happy, happy, happy National Coffee Day. I'm Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl. Till next time, sip the right thing.